Hi, this is Caleb Quern at AppSec California, OWASP Southern California annual event in Santa Monica. We're here with Scott Jensen of Google. Right. Scott, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Scott, you had another presentation. You're on the road a lot. You talk about a thing called the physical web. Why don't you help our audience learn a little bit about what that is if they're not familiar yet?
The physical web is a project on the Chrome team to allow the web to be used in the physical world. So we basically look for broadcast URLs that you can see really easily on your phone, so you can kind of walk up and use anything from a map to being able to use a vending machine, for example.
And so I believe one of the strategies for your team is to help, of course, along the way, make sure that everything is airtight as possible from a security perspective, and that was what your presentation today was about.
Yeah, exactly. So it's all open source, everything that we do. We have our own GitHub. If you go to physical-web.org, you can get access to that. And it was part of why we came to this conference. We got a chance to present what we're doing, explain in detail what we're trying to do, and then have it pressure tested, have a lot of tough questions and ways that we can improve it.
So let's ask how that went. Did you get those questions from the crowd that you expected, the tough ones?
I did get an awful lot of tough questions, but they were all good questions, and I'm enjoying talking to people about it afterwards, and some good suggestions as to how we can fix it. So yeah, it's really worthwhile coming.
Terrific. So what do you think is next for the physical web? What should people out there be looking out for?
Well, the big thing that we're doing right now is we're getting it into Chrome and Android, both Chrome and iOS, and Chrome and physical web, and on Android and Chrome and iOS. But then the next step is to, we hope, get other people involved, other scanners and so forth, and that will happen as the ecosystem slowly grows. So we're just trying to make that happen as quickly as we can.
Okay, so I have two quick questions for you, Scott. Where can people learn more about the physical web?
Go to our website, physical-web.org. That explains everything. It's our GitHub, and get you started.
Okay, my final question for you is, what's your favorite thing about AppSec California, and would you recommend it?
Oh, I'd absolutely recommend it. I think obviously it's a beautiful location, and I've really, like all good conferences, they're only as good as the people, and I just really enjoyed the conversations that I've had here. It's been really nice.
Terrific. Thank you, Scott.
You're very welcome.